guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya and as you all know that we are doing a series on Valentine's Day, which is get ready with me for this Valentine's Day. So this is the episode number 4 of that particular series. So today I'm going to be doing the brunch makeup look. I'm just going to show that what I have wore for this brunch date for Valentine's Day, and at the same time what kind of a makeup I'll be doing along with it. So as you can see, I wore a floral dress. It's a dress, and I really have done some just twist on my hair. So that's how I'm gonna keep my hair and just see how that will gonna look. Apart from that, I will also do one more thing, that is I'm gonna do the dramatic eyes today. Along with that, I'm gonna keep my lips a very light one, that is I'm gonna keep nude lips all together, and I'll just see how will that look. And I have absolutely no idea guys that how will that look, so I'm just hoping for the best that it turns out to be good and it turns out the way that I am looking for. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first step that we will be going to do is that we're gonna quickly clean my face. So I'm using this MUA Refreshing Cleansing Milk. So it is for the normal skin, so I'm just gonna clean my face with it. So if there's any dirt or dust on my face, so I can easily remove it, because guys, it's very important that before you start any makeup you prep your skin really well. So I have taken a bit of the cleansing milk on my swab, cotton swab, and I'm just gonna remove it quickly. All the dust and dirt, if there's anything on my face, I'm just gonna remove it with it. So I have removed all the makeup, as you can see. So I had this lip tint on my lips, and apart from that I had some dirt on my face. So I've just completely removed it. So now let's just move towards the second step. So for the second step, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect Aqua Essence City Face Mist UV Protector. So as you can see, that's how it looks. So I'm just gonna spray it on my face to give that refreshing look. So it's actually a mist, and it's just like a perfume or a dew, you can say, and it works really well for your skin. So I just love this product. Now the third step is to moisturize your skin. So for moisturizing, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Gel Cream. As you can see, that's how it looks. It's a very cute packaging. I'm really loving the color, by the way. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger. I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna apply it, and it's super fresh, man. I mean, basically it's water based and it is gel, so it really feels so refreshing on your skin. So while I'm prepping for my skin, I love to use this product. So I've already well moisturized my face, like I've really moisturized it well. So now the final step before starting my makeup is for the lips. So I'm going to use this Lip Spa Care Lip Balm from Oriflame. So I'm going to use this lip balm to nourish my lips also, because my lips get really chapped. So I am done prepping my skin and my lips, and to make it feel better, so I have done all that steps. Now let's just move towards